y'all, I'm really excited about today's video. So I get to transform a dorm room for one of the students here at Florida State College of Jacksonville, and I'm just so excited to do it. Y'all know I love decorating, but I thought this would be a good opportunity to show you all what you can do with peel and stick and just some tricks and tips to decorating dorm rooms or even rental spaces. So if you're renting and you don't want to paint, or the landlord doesn't allow paint and all those different things, let me show you what you can do. So we have to pack up the car. You can already see it's a ton of stuff behind me, but we're going to pack it up. We're going to get over there to the dorm room and we're going to get started. Before we get started, I wanted to give a shout out to today's sponsor, Dormify. Dormify is your one-stop shop for all your dorm room essentials. So from bedding to headboards to charging stations and everything in between, everything that your college student would need for their dorm room, you can find it here. Right now, because it's back to school season, you can find some of their biggest deals. And then also for my viewers, I'll have an additional discount code linked below. So if you're in the need for any dorm room essentials, make sure to check out Dormify. Alright, so first things first, we are going to tackle the walls. As you can see, they are pretty plain right now. So I have purchased some peel and stick wallpaper. We're going to do a dual color, and these are actually the school colors, which is pretty cool too. We're going to do peel and stick wallpaper on the wall so that we can really bring some character to the space and get rid of some of these bland walls. So if you really want to add a nice touch to a dorm room, then consider adding in a headboard. These headboards you can find on Dormify. They come in all different styles and shapes and textures, and they are just so great. Now, if you're wondering how these are installed, well, the theme of today's video is peel and stick. So just like the wallpaper on the back of the headboards, you just have these command strips that you just pull right off and stick directly to the wall, and they hold great. So this is a great option to add more character into the room. Additionally, we're also going to use peel and stick curtain rod holders. These are absolutely great. Again, you just peel off the back, and then the lever just lifts up and down so you can put your curtain rod inside. You do not have to worry about screwing any screw holes or anything like that. Peel and stick it on the wall, add in your curtain rod, you're good to go. right, so it is actually the next day because I did not get everything done yesterday. I just had like a little shelf I wanted to put in, so I just brought that home to put it together. And then I felt like the room needed something else, so I actually purchased some other decals, some peel and stick decals that I'm gonna put on the wall. Y'all know that that is the theme of today. We're doing peel and stick. So yeah, I just have to put those decals on, put the shelf in, and just style it up a little bit, and then we'll be done. Alright guys, we are all done. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this gives you some inspiration of what you are able to do with simple peel and stick items. If you're interested in any of the items that you see here on the video, just check the description box. They will all be linked there. I will see you guys on the next one.